Hey everyone, this is Arun, and today in this video, I'm discussing about the solution of this question number 8. Recall the production model from section 1.3. They provided the constants maximum is 10x, where 5x is less than or equals to 40 and x is greater than or equals to 0. And here in this question, suppose the firm in this example considers a second product that has a unit profit of $5 and requires 2 hours of production time for each unit produced. Use y as the number of units of product 2 produced. Then we have 5 parts in this question, and we need to solve them all. Part A says show the mathematical model for when both products are considered simultaneously. So for this part, let me go back to the Excel file. So this one we have part A here. Maximize 10x plus 5 by, and these all are the constants. We have 5x plus 2y is less than or equals to 40, and x is greater than or equals to 0, y is greater than or equals to 0. Then part B, identify the controllable and uncontrollable inputs for this model. So for B part, which is a controllable inputs are X and Y, and uncontrollable inputs are profit 10, 5, and labor hours 5, 2, and labor hours availability is 40. So this is the uncontrollable units. Then for part C, draw the flowchart of the input-output processes for this model. So for part C, we have the flowchart here. So this one is the uncontrollable units, where 10 per unit for X and $5 per units for Y, and 40 hours labor hour capacity. Then this one is our production quantities for X and Y. This one is the controllable input. And then we have the constants here. So this one is our mathematical model. And then this one is our output, which is the projected profit and check on the production time constant. So this one is the flowchart for part C. Then what is the optimal solution values for X and Y? So here, X equals to 0 and Y equals to 20. Profit is $100. So we have used the trial and error method to get the values here. Then for part E, which says is the model developed in part A is deterministic or stochastic model, stochastic model. So here it is deterministic because all controllable inputs are fixed and known. So this is we need to explain this one here. So because all uncontrollable units are fixed and are known, so this one is our deterministic model. So now these all are the answers for this question. I hope you like this video and the solution. And I'm an instructor of 12 years experience. So if you have any other questions to be solved, or if you have any issues in the problems from this textbook, you can definitely reach me out. I will be sharing you my email address and my WhatsApp number, the contact detail in the description part of this video. So you can reach me out anytime whenever you think you're having some issues in this question, or you need any help from my end. So thank you for watching this video, and have a great day. Take care. Bye.